Okay, good morning, student, once again. So let us continue with the remaining portion. So am I audible?
Yes,
Hi.
ma'am.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there are like lots of students having network issues. Can't connect to our server, please check in. Okay, I think they are having network issues, so but we can't waste time now. So let us continue. So now we will be discussing about the symptoms. So can anyone share your idea? What will be the symptoms of renal vascular disease? Dibyajit, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From the name itself, by hearing renal vascular disease, सबसे पहले दिमाग में क्या आता है, उसका symptoms क्या होगा? Any idea? Any idea? Anything you can share? If not, we will continue.
Hypertension.
Pardon?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Hypertension.
Yes, very good, Dibyajit. Okay. What about others? Any idea? Any idea? Okay. Let me share you all. Okay, symptoms of renal vascular disease. So, what is the best way to study the symptoms of renal vascular disease is that you know now all those like the types now, all those vascular condition, many patch vascular condition discussed kiya tha na. So all those that was one was the renal artery stenosis, and then the other was the renal artery thrombosis, and the other one was renal artery aneurysm, and the other was atheroembolic renal disease, I guess, and then the other was renal vein thrombosis. So these were the like renal vascular condition, okay, that can occur, okay. Most of renal vascular disease tha. So now how you need to study the symptoms is that means keeping all those types in mind, okay. We will study the symptoms one by one. So symptoms of renal vascular disease vary depend on the type of disease and the degree of like involvement present, okay. Means it will be like the symptoms will depend on the type of renal vascular disease, okay, because we have discussed the type of renal vascular disease now that I have mentioned five renal vascular. Based on that तुम लोगों को symptoms पढ़ना पड़ेगा, sign and symptoms. So first is renal artery stenosis, and the main thing is that what is renal artery stenosis? I already like explained to you all ना, meaning भी समझ में आ गया. तो meaning समझ में आ जाने के बाद what next thing you know is that क्या symptoms हो सकता है. तो renal artery stenosis. So let us see. The first point is high blood pressure that is not responsive to 3 or more blood pressure medications. So before I already explained you all that there are some medications when there is an increase of high blood pressure, you have to take all those medication, right? So what were the medication? हमारा जब BP high होता है तो कैसा, what class of drug that you need to take? Don't tell me that you can't reply this, okay? Because I've already explained about this. So can you please share this? If someone have high BP, what type of drug or what type of class of drugs that you need to suggest? I'm not asking the name of the drug. I'm just asking the class of the drug. So anyone? I want to ask Samuel. Samuel, can you please tell your friend the answer? Samuel? Samuel?
Ma'am, SCE.
Okay, SCE, very good. What is the full form of SCE? Samuel, SCE का full form क्या है? SCE बोलने से तो थोड़ी ना होगा ना, उसका full form क्या है SCE? Samuel, any idea? If not, I will share I will pass to your friend. Shall I pass,
No, I
Samuel?
didn't. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Srijana, please tell the answer to Samuel. What is?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please tell the full form of SCE to this Samuel? SCE.
Ma'am, angiotensin converting enzymes.
Okay, Samuel, it is angiotensin converting enzyme. Okay, Samuel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so हमारा BP मैंने बहुत सारा discuss किया था ना, when you have when you have inflammation, what type of drug you need to eat. When you have infection, what type of drug you need to have. It's not everything, so don't forget all those things. Okay, so अगर किसी का renal artery stenosis हुआ ना, तो उसका क्या symptoms हो सकता है? That is, the person might have high blood pressure. Okay, और वो जो high blood pressure है, उसका pressure इतना high है कि it is not responsive to 3 or more blood pressure medication. Okay, that is, we mainly prescribe one medication. Okay, when someone have high BP, we mainly give one medication. That is, nowadays the hypertension medicine that is mainly given is like amlodipine. Okay, this kind of drug is mainly given, amlodipine, that is angiotensin converting enzyme. ये सब देता है, तो एक देने से भी ठीक नहीं होता, 2 देने से भी ठीक नहीं होता है, 3 देने से भी ठीक नहीं होता है. तो all this kind of symptoms you will see. Medication 3 से ज्यादा medication देने का बावजूद भी the person will still have high BP. So this is the very dangerous symptoms, the first symptom, sign and symptoms that you will see if a person suffer from renal artery stenosis. So are you clear, all of you? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, coming to the next point, that is the increase urea. So urea, all of you know ना, urea क्या है? ये एक waste product है. Okay, urea is the waste product that is mainly made by our kidney. Okay, so there will be increase of urea in the blood. That means हमारा blood पे ना, like blood पे बहुत ज़्यादा waste product that is which is made by the kidney. जो kidney waste product kidney जो बनाते हैं ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा like waste product होगा हमारा blood पे. There will be increased waste product which is made by the kidney in our blood when if someone suffer from renal artery stenosis. So are you clear this next point?
Yes, Yes, ma'am. ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Please respond fast, okay? Because like I also keep on speaking now. When you don't respond very like where you respond lately now, I feel very bored. That's why. Like coming to the next point, that is unexplained kidney failure. So the kidney failure is very much like what to say. It's very much being damaged. Okay, that is, it is been unexplained. So it is unexplained kidney failure. So that kind of symptoms can also be seen. So next is sudden kidney failure when first taking an angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor for blood pressure and or any heart treatment. So so what happened is that as you know that blood pressure can be both the cause and the result, right? So someone have high blood pressure. Okay, so someone have high blood pressure and he is taking the for the first time he is taking this angiotensin converting enzyme tablet. Okay, he is taking for the first time angiotensin converting enzyme. वो blood pressure का medication जो है ना पहली बार ले रहा है. So what happened is that, or any kind of heart treatment, when someone is undergoing any kind of heart treatment, okay, at that time if he or she is taking this angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor that is mainly for the blood pressure, okay, if someone is taking this at that time, what happens is that it can like suddenly, it can on the onset, it can suddenly lead to kidney failure. So this kind of problem you will see if someone have renal artery stenosis. So uska jo kidney failure hai na, wo agar renal artery stenosis that is main related to kidney, iska ye failure hone se first tablet of angiotensin converter enzyme that is for BP lene se uska ye kidney failure ho sakta hai. So these are the symptoms you will see when someone have renal artery stenosis. Are you clear, or you want to ask any question? Are you clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बहुत simple है, समझने से ना everything is very easy. You just need to understand, और simple से ना कैसा learn करना है that you need to know. ऐसा नहीं कि इतना tough notes by heart करना, that is not the main thing. Main thing is that हर छोटा point ना, small things ना you try to understand. tab you will feel interest, na? You will love even your course also, like even your every syllabus you will fall in love. Because कब हम लोग boring feel होता है when we study, when we don't understand we feel bored, na? So try to understand everything and try to relate everything. So coming to the next, there is renal artery thrombosis. So renal artery thrombosis में क्या क्या symptoms दिखाई देगा? So sudden onset of side pain. Side pain बोलने से तो दिमाग में सबसे पहले आना चाहिए था flank pain. So there will be sudden onset of side pain that is between the ribs and the upper border of the hip bone. Okay, that is between the ribs and the upper border of the hip bone पे क्या होगा? Pain होगा, sudden pain होगा, sudden onset of pain होगा, flank pain. Pain होगा और tenderness भी होगा. Tenderness क्या था? What is tenderness? Ilasara, what is tenderness? Dibyajit? Dibyajit, Ilasara, Ishan, Bishal, what is tenderness? Rich person, what is tenderness? Bolo, bolo. Tenderness. Any idea? Tenderness क्या है? Any idea? I still remember I discussed in your offline class. Tenderness क्या था? Anyone? What is tenderness? Tenderness का मतलब क्या है? Like when this is the pain, okay, or discomfort when an affected area, जो affected part है ना, जो affected part है, when you touch the affected part, okay, what happen is that you will feel pain or you will feel discomfort or there will be like hardening ऐसा tender होगा, okay, so that is known as tenderness. So all this pain, tenderness, all this you will find, okay, when you like if you have this renal artery thrombosis. So this was the first point. So coming to the next point, that is fever. So when you have the vascular diseases like renal artery thrombosis, okay, so you will have the chances of developing this kind of symptoms, that is fever. So fever I already explained, na? Everything pyrexia. So fever is also known as pyrexia. So all those high, low pyrexia, fever कब ज़्यादा होता, fever कब होता, all those in vital signs I have explained very nicely, is not it? Pyrexia का हर चीज मैंने बहुत अच्छी तरह explain किया. So I hope you will be able to detect yourself with the help of that thermometer. Like now you can detect if someone have fever or not. So this is also the one sign. Then coming to the next point, that is the blood in the urine. So blood in urine, which is also known as hematuria. Na hematuria का मतलब है blood in urine. So urine, हमारे urine पे blood present हो सकता है if you have renal artery thrombosis. So and nausea and vomiting, and then sudden decrease in kidney function, and then hypertension. So you can have the obviously if there will be like thrombosis in your renal artery, na, if you will have thrombosis in your renal artery, then obviously the function of the kidney will also decrease. Na? There will be sudden decrease in kidney function. So these are the signs and symptoms you will find if someone have renal artery thrombosis. So are you clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि ये ना you don't get confused, okay, ये किडनी का फंक्शन कैसे डिक्रीज होगा, ये कंफ्यूज मत हो, क्योंकि रीनल आर्टरी थ्रोम्बोसिस का मतलब तो पता है ना कि देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लड क्लॉट, वो जो रीनल आर्टरी है ना उसमें क्लॉट होगा, तो उसमें क्लॉट होने से तो क्या होगा, ब्लड फ्लो वगैरह ये सब ब्लॉक होगा ना वो क्लॉट का वजह से, तो उसका वजह से जो किडनी फंक्शन होता है ना वो अच्छी तरह फंक्शन नहीं होगा, उसका फंक्शन डिक्रीज होगा, दैट इज द मेन मीनिंग. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन. So renal artery aneurysm. So aneurysm का मतलब क्या था? What was aneurysm? Just before I have explained. Rich person, what is aneurysm? Rich person, what is aneurysm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is aneurysm, rich person? Just before I have explained. Aneurysm. Which person? If no idea, say no problem. I'll ask your friend. I'll ask Rasmi.
No, no, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Rasmi, can you please tell me
No,
what is
ma'am. Forgot,
aneurysm?
ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Rasmi, what is aneurysm?
Ma'am, swelling of the artery.
Swelling. Okay, who else will I ask? Wait. Okay. Rasmi, no problem. You have a little bit idea. Okay. Prakriti, can you please tell me what is this aneurysm? Prakriti, can you please tell me? Dibyajit, Darshana, Vishal? एनुरिज्म का मतलब क्या है? Okay, Srijana, can you please tell me what is aneurysm?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Dibyajit, aneurysm का मतलब क्या है?
Ma'am, that time I got disconnected.
Oh, okay, no problem. Okay, Dibyajit, what is aneurysm?
Yeah, aneurysm है
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
artery full जाता है, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, Dibyajit, you will listen carefully. That means okay. Thank you. Okay. So aneurysm का मतलब है जो artery का wall में जो weakened artery wall in all this when there is a bulging occur. Okay, in the renal artery wall में वो bulging होगा. That is the renal artery aneurysm. Okay. So I have already discussed what is the meaning of this renal artery aneurysm. So now let us not move back to that. Okay, so let us focus on the symptoms that you will find if someone suffer from this renal artery embolism. Okay, this aneurysm, I mean. So what will be the first symptoms? Generally asymptomatic. That means अगर किसी का like renal artery aneurysm होने से ना, that is mainly asymptomatic. So okay, इसका symptoms show नहीं करता है, so it is asymptomatic. So and then the other one is high blood pressure. So if someone have renal artery embolism, okay, so वो जो renal artery aneurysm ना वो फूल जाता है ना artery, तो bulging हो जाता है, तो क्या होगा कि that can lead to high blood pressures. And the other one is there will be tear in this aneurysm. So tear in the aneurysm it may cause flank pain and blood in the urine. So aneurysm, you all know now that aneurysm is there will be bulging or else is the like weaken in the wall of the artery. Na? So what will happen is that if there will be excess of like bulging, na, जब जो artery wall जो weaken हो ज़्यादा bulging हो जाने से क्या होगा कि it can also lead to tearing. Okay, tearing हो सकता है. So if tearing occur, that is tear in the aneurysm, then what happens is that can also cause flank pain. So flank pain, and then also it can also, that tear can also lead to occurrence of the blood in the urine. So I hope you are clear with this. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so let's move on. That is atheroembolic renal disease. So atheroembolic renal disease, if someone have atheroembolic renal disease, na, what kind of like symptoms you can find? So let us discuss. There can be a like a skin lesion. Okay, I think all your friends are having so much of like network problem. They're still trying to join. Okay, no problem. Atheroembolic renal disease, there will be a skin lesions or red or purple color of the skin. Okay, or skin lesion, I hope you all know what is lesion. So there can occur skin lesion, okay, red color या फिर purple color of the skin. ये सब दिखाई देता है अगर किसी का atheroembolic renal disease हुआ तो. Okay, are you clear, all of you? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. It's very nice to hear you all responding. Okay, so let's move to the next point. So discolor area of the toe and feet. So there will be discolor, okay? हमारा जो toe या feet जो है ना, there will be like discolor in some particular area, okay? There will be discolor. So discolor का मतलब क्या है ना? Color का opposite means discolor. So there will be discolor in the area of the toes and feet. All this you will find if someone have atheroembolic renal disease. So the other one is kidney failure. So this atheroembolic renal disease can also lead to renal failure, okay? Which is very much dangerous. And then you can also call this abdominal pain. If someone If all of you don't know what is abdominal pain, then you can simply, if there is pain in your belly, okay, abdominal pain. So these kind of symptoms also can be seen, and diarrhea, confusions, and then there can also be weight loss, fever, then muscle ache, okay. So muscle ache ये सब होगा. So these are some of the symptoms you can find, okay, in a thyroembolic renal disease. So let me repeat. One is the skin lesion. So skin lesion कैसे होगा, हमारा skin का color, red, purple, color of the skin, ये सब हो सकता है. Again, there will be discolor area in our toe, in our feet, और kidney failure भी हो सकता है. Okay, ये symptoms दिखाई देता है. And then abdominal pain भी हो सकता है, और फिर diarrhea भी हो सकता है. और you can see confusion, confuse हो जाता है ना. तो like what to do, what not to do, confuse हो जाता है. और weight loss हो जाता है, weight loss. And then fever, and then muscle ache भी होता है. Okay, obviously if there is flank pain, वो सब होने से तो muscle ache वगैरह तो it's like it's very common. So next is are you clear this atherosclerotic renal disease, all of you? Are you
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
next
ma'am.
let's move on. Next is renal vein thrombosis. Renal vein thrombosis. So इसका मतलब तो पता है, you already know the meaning ना. तो there is a slow onset, okay? Slow onset भी होता है. तो slow most often cause no symptoms. अगर किसी का renal vein thrombosis है ना, तो ये in case of slow onset means उसका जो symptoms है ना बहुत जल्दी दिखाई नहीं देता है. So that is most often causes no symptoms. अगर किसी का renal vein thrombosis है ना, तो ऐसा it's not necessary that that person will show symptoms in the early stage. Okay, it might show the symptoms in the later stage. That's why it is in the slow onset you could find that the symptoms is being asymptomatic. That is most often the cause it doesn't causes any symptoms. So sudden onset, that means like अगर किसी का renal vein thrombosis हो तो suddenly उसका क्या क्या symptoms दिखाई दे सकता है, that is sudden onset. Let us discuss. There can be like persistent severe flank pain, okay, that may be spasmodic at times. So persistent this severe flank pain भी हो सकता है, spasmodic, and it can also be spasmodic at the same time. So what is spasmodic? Because here it is mentioned ना persistent severe flank pain तो पता है, तो severe flank pain हो सकता है, उसका साथ साथ it can also be associated with that of spasmodic ना. So what is spasmodic? Spasmodic, anyone, any idea? Spasmodic, Dibyajit, any idea what is spasmodic?
No, ma'am.
Spasm पता है, spasm, muscle spasm सुना, muscle spasm. मसल
No,
स्पाज्म
ma'am.
क्या था? अरे एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी में नहीं पढ़ा क्या? मसल स्पाज्म क्या है? इट इज एन इनवॉलंटरी कंट्रैक्शन ना, जो इनवॉलंटरी कंट्रैक्शन होता है ऑफ आवर मसल that can cause a great deal of pain, all those muscle spasm. So the spasmodic at times, muscle spasm भी हो सकता है, flank pain होने का साथ साथ spasm भी हो सकता है. So if spasm means, muscle spasm means involuntary contraction, okay, of a muscle. So हमारा muscle involuntary contraction होता है. And then soreness over the kidney, or else you can simply cause soreness in the area over the kidney, that is between the ribs and the backbone. वो सब में वो between the ribs and the backbone ना, or over the kidney में soreness होगा. You know ना what is soreness? Soreness. What is soreness? Any idea what is soreness? Soreness. Srijana, you have idea what is soreness?
Ma'am, swelling.
Yeah, swelling. You can consider partially correct. Okay. What about other? You have any idea? Samuel, any idea? I think Samuel is know the answer, but he's hiding. Samuel, बोलो तो soreness का मतलब क्या है? Samuel, do you know what is soreness? Samuel is joining or he's
Ma'am, pain in muscle.
okay, pain. Okay, that is also like okay, that is also correct. What Srijana said is also correct. What you said is also like this correct. You can combine it. Okay. Anyone any idea? Dibyajit, idea है क्या? दिव्याजीत,
मैम itching होना
that soreness means itching or what?
मतलब पहली बार
हाँ बोलो 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 बोलो. At least you're sharing your point of view ना. Say दिव्याजीत, say.
मतलब पहली बार वर्कआउट करने से जो होता है मसल्स में.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Srijana, please take attendance. Okay, only 10 minutes left. Okay, Divyajit, no problem. Okay. Soreness. Soreness means like it is, what to say, painful, okay? Pain in any part of your bodies, okay? Jo, in any part of our body, the pain hota hai, that is known as the soreness or swelling, all this painful, and it means if there is a feeling of uncomfortable, okay? Like that soreness might occur because of some injury, all those. ये सब जो pain होता है ना हमारा, in any part of our body, if pain occur, if there is like swelling, you can also say swelling, partially correct, then all those are known as soreness. So ये जो soreness है, it can occur over the kidney or else between the ribs and the backbone में ये soreness हो सकता है. So are you clear? Soreness का मतलब? All of you?
Ma'am.
Yeah. See. All of you? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next is decreased kidney function. So you will also see the decreased kidney function, okay, like that of the previous one, the previous vascular condition. There will also be decrease in kidney function. So obviously if thrombosis occurred, then there can occur this one, okay, kidney function, because any narrowing, any blockage, any clot, then the blood flow to the kidney can be like decrease, and that can lead to this decrease in kidney function. Next is blood in the urine. That is, in medical term, you can simply call it hematuria, okay? So blood in the urine. So all this condition you can see. So these are all the signs and symptoms that you could see, okay? If someone have all those vascular disease, that is renal vascular disease, all those 5 vascular disease which I have discussed. Now that was, what was all those? Renal artery stenosis, renal artery thrombosis, renal artery aneurysm, and the other one was what? Atheroembolic renal disease, and the other was renal vein thrombosis. So all those were the conditions. So are you clear with the sign and symptoms, all of you? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think like it is very clear. Everything,
Yes,
every point, every line is being explained. Every meaning is being like revealed to you all. Nah? So I don't think you can have a like doubt also. So the only like responsibility left is you all need to study this, okay? And whatever I have given, you focus on my notes, because based on this, I will be setting the questions. So you study this, and you can share your point of view, because the note is already provided to you, not the PDF, and the notes that I've given you all is different, means like different as compared to that of your Shaban ma'am. So which one you find it easy, you just drop your answer in your this group, okay? In the chat box, you can just drop your answer, and then based on that, like I will choose the one particular PDF. So let us like discuss back, okay? Whatever we have, let us rewind back whatever we have discussed. So with a very fast, okay, there is only 5 minutes left. So renal vascular disease, it was the complication, okay, that affect our arteries and our veins, done. And then the condition where all these renal artery stenosis, okay? And then the other is renal artery thrombosis, this one, and then renal vein thrombosis, okay, all this we have discussed. So I hope you are clear with all from the definition itself. So one by one, let me ask Srijana, are you clear whatever we have discussed today? Srijana?
Ma'am, second class I'm clear, but first class I get disconnected.
Okay, no problem. I will be uploading, okay? By today itself, I will be uploading. You listen my class again nicely, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, after listening, if you still have any doubts, you can directly inbox me. Okay, Darshana, you have any doubts? Darshana? Please respond, okay? There is very less time. I don't want to like, why you all always wait for your name to be pronounced? Darshana, you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Rashmi? Rashmi, kuch
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Okay, Ishan?
No, ma'am.
Ishan? Ishan sleeping?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Ilasara, you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, rich person?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Samuel, कुछ doubt है क्या?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Bishal. Oh, Bishal? Hey, Bishal.
यस मैम।
Okay, कुछ doubt है क्या?
नहीं मैम, लेकिन फर्स्ट क्लास का मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाया उसका थोड़ा
Okay, okay. I will check the views. Okay, today I will be uploading in the evening. I will be uploading in the evening or at night. I will be checking how much view it is. You see, okay, because from the next your exam is approaching, so you can't waste any time, na. So you whatever like you don't understand, na. You मैं जो upload करूँगी ना वो फिर वापस जाके सुनना. वो link में जाके पूरा
Okay.
सुनना, हाँ. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Divyaji, do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Prakriti, you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Monica? Monica?
Ma'am.
Okay, Yatu? Yatu is joining now. Okay, Finisha? Oh, all of you have network problem now? Okay, no problem. I'll upload it. Okay, then if you are all of you are clear with today class, okay, then we will end the class for now. Okay, okay. Then all of you, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.